Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to write a notice according to the latest format. This English language assignment is for class 10. You will get this assignment on 19th April. Dear students, now we are going to discuss question number 3, A part of test paper 2, which is given on page number 49. So dear children, I will read the question for you. Then I will tell you how to write a notice and will discuss the format as well. So your question is, you are the secretary of the Residents Welfare Association. Its short form is RWA of your apartments. Write a notice requesting the residents of the area to donate food, clothes, hand wash, sanitizers and face masks for the migrant laborers staying in the relief camps during the lockdown period. So let's write. So first of all, we'll give a creative heading. So I'm going to write charity. You can keep the initials in capital or you can write the entire creative heading in capital letters. So I'm writing charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. So this is your creative heading. It can be any. You can write any creative heading. Then we are going to write the name of the event. So it can be a charity drive. A charity drive. Then we'll write whatever part is already given in the question paper, that is to donate food, then is clothes, hand wash, comma, sanitizers, and face masks In order to make it creative or eye-catchy, I am writing for the migrant laborers a bit down. For the migrant, keeping the initial for migrant capital, migrant laborers L capital, then we'll write the date. So dear children, date means when this charity drive is going to take place, not the date when you're writing this notice. So taking 1 week margin, I am writing on 26th April, and name of the year you can write this way, 20 and cross. So we have written the date. Now leaving 2 lines, you will write the time. So I will write between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can donate the above written items, which is the nature of donation, form of the donation, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. according to your convenience. on any working day. On any working day. So now we'll write the venue, that is, it can be any, but you have to write a smaller locality or a bigger locality. So I am writing at community center or office, RWA, and then I'm going to specify the locality. I'm writing my own locality. You can write your own locality. SBP Homes, extension to Mohali. Extension to, this is Greater Mohali. So I have written the smaller locality as well as the bigger locality. Now we'll write the lower part of the notice where we are going to be precise. So I will not keep it optional. I will make it mandatory because it's a charity drive. All the residents are requested to step forward to support this charity drive. To support this charity drive generously then. Now I will give the contact person and submission date. You can deposit your contribution with, you'll be writing your own name. I am writing Mr. David because designation is already given, that you are going to include here. Secretary, RWA on or before 23rd April. Again, I am not writing the name of the year and putting 2 crosses. So dear students, let's discuss the format now. So first of all, you need a creative heading which needs to be central to the theme. Then you're going to write name of the event. This question had nature of donations which was already given. Then for whom was this donation meant for, that was also precisely given. So that is why I am writing it in the above part of the notice so that my notice is eye-catchy. Then I have written the date. After the date, you are going to write the time. Then you are going to write the venue. This is the smaller locality and this is the bigger locality. I made it compulsory for all. So this is the target audience. Mr. David is the contact person. Here you are going to write your own name because you are writing this notice, and then this is a submission date, and then you are going to put your notice in a box. So this is all for you. I think you are clear with the latest format of notice writing now, and it will be easy for you to write the answer now. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.